Yes.
I'm speaking not as Max now, I'm speaking as the spirit within inside me.
Yeah.
The love you guys show, you guys are attracting so much love from all over the world. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand how blessed you are.
Sure.
Blessed you are. Possessions is nothing. Possessions is nothing because it's the energy flowing. It's the energy flowing. When he talks, I can feel the energy from overseas. When Kino talk, I can feel the energy. When you guys,
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them I want hear me mother drink sorry.
We are celebrate here, sir. You're alive and I'm alive. Celebrate life because we know much people dead and gone from all out. The amount of people dead every day. Yes, sir.
Blessings and give thanks, you know. Yo, trade man, that not sound good, trades man.
One team.
Energy. And that's what we are saying, man. Energy.
No man can continue.
Energy. And here we go again, you know, since the peace, you know, the love been rolling in even more and more and more. So we give thanks. So we say peace go a long way. Peace is love, unity. And we have another guest here again to see the Dream Team. You know, he's a donor to the program and a regular viewer. And his name is Max. He don't want to be on camera, so sorry for the viewers and the donors and that's watching. Who would have known definitely would love to see Max face, but you don't know. Max is not behind the scene, man. You know, so I want to give Max a round of applause. Welcome. Yeah, man.
Dream Team, yeah, man.
Yeah, you're Max vibes, but you're not see Max. You know why? because this is how life is. Sometimes you can hear a thing and don't see
See
it. But have that confidence and know that you know, you're not believing.
Sure.
And knowing is the key. Knowing means knowledge. That means you know. So Max, enough respect to Max, enough I respect because Max is that life and that energy. See all of us here. One is Dream Team.
One shit. And there it goes. And as I may say, Max is the son of a donor as well too, you know, love from a distance, you know, that's his mom, you know, so you see, you know, the mother and the son onto the program was a regular. I have to also big up Oliver and Carl, because him say, yo, him dress we greet Overcomers. You know, him say it was a joy. You see the love we're on the show, Overcomers. You know, I was sharing the same love here, man. Yeah, man. So that's an inspiration of Dream Team Love, where we show and have for each and everyone that take place and take foot in Trenchtown, because they never have to. You know, so I make Max explain to him like the feedback, because remember we cannot see it. We don't gotta put out the work. So Max is the eyes and the ears from the overseas, can tell you that the work we're not put in and how it impact people from the outside. You know, so
Yeah,
Max will tell you.
First, I want to say thank you very much for pulling me in. I feel the love and energy from every single. As a matter of fact, the whole community, the whole Jamaica. 'Cause I live in Jamaica, and I feel the whole energy when I land. Because I was supposed to come here last year for the pandemic and everything, and for about a month or two, I've been having dreams about being home. I've been every night. I've been having spiritual dreams about being home, and then I hear the voice says, "Follow." So guess what I did? I booked my ticket and I just flew. I flew. I don't have no reason.
And here he is today. Yes.
I'm speaking not as Max now. I'm speaking as the spirit within inside me. The love you guys show. You guys are attracting so much love from all over the world. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand how blessed you are. Blessed you are. Possessions is nothing. Possessions is nothing, because it's the energy flowing. It's the energy flowing. When he talks, I can feel the energy from overseas. When Kino talks, I can feel the energy. When you guys come together and you guys do your songs and you guys come together. You come together, I feel that energy over there because I have the same energy, and I'm aware of that energy. You know, ignorance means you're not aware of the energy. That's what ignorance is, you know. You're not aware. But once you become aware of the energy and you're aware that we are all one, we're all together, we're all here to love each other. And experience love with each other. We can move mountains. Who said it? You said it. He said your mind can move mountains. It's not a word that we say that it's like, you know, it's just a word. It is actually the truth. It is actually the truth. We can move mountains. Ain't you guys moving mountains right now?
Of course.
Ain't you guys moving mountains? Only for mountains. Only for mountains I move. And we attack spiritual mountains too. Because you guys are attracting a lot of people with that love. You guys are attracting that, and you guys are doing that. You guys are doing that. Do you understand that? People from Trenchtown say, this is one that Una do that. Let me tell you something. You see the peace we are going, Una cause it, Una energy. And Father start talk, feel the love. And he must say, done this. Life and death is in the tongue. You spoke it. You must realize, you just create the peace. You don't realize that.
You understand what I'm saying.
You speak it, you create it. It might seem like it just happened. People say coincidence, it happened. It's not coincidence. You speak it, it happened. I'm telling you, me grew up in the ghetto, and upset a lot of people. You grew up what? because I speak affluently. I do this. I'm successful. You grew up in the ghetto. Yes. It's not where you come from.
Yeah.
It's who you are.
Yeah.
It's not where you come from. It's who you are.
Of course. That's not where you're coming
Right.
from. Determine where you're going.
It's not determines where you're going. You understand? It's who you are, your spirit, your energy, the love. My family show love to so much people that sometimes when people come to it, they're like, wait, I know that person. Yeah, they know us. They know us because you show love. I'm not gonna stop saying it's love.
It's a dream team. One team. Nothing but love. Well said, Max. Well said, Max.
All you people listening out worldwide, globally now, and you hear what Max said? Max is that voice that come to reconnect you back to yourself, because he make you overs that we are one. Come from one energy, that vibration that no man can control and destroy. So that's what mankind be doing over the years, fighting against itself. And what Max said, as him saying, don't want him face show, listen to the voice. That voice is in your head. That voice talk to you. That voice is your teacher, your leader, your healer. Max is sick and him heal himself. And that's what I come on the program. That's why when Max said, this man is great. Because that's what I'm teaching you, how you can heal yourself. You don't must get no medicine from me or nothing. You just want to go back in yourself and use that cosmic energy, that power, that creation, that vibration. Because you are God, children of God, and if my father is God, I am a God.
Exactly. Well said.
What I'm reaching out today, Max, to the people them, because a lot of people call me and they see the program, they see Scanner get up and walk. They see Sam
improving,
get 3 strokes and get improving and come in there. This is not miracle, this is reality. The word reality means real. That means you see it real and you still don't believe. You still don't know, because believe is an door. It's like you believe, say you're there jungle and a Rima you're there. So you know, say a Rima you're there. So I don't believe, I know. And what I'm doing is what I know. And I know you out there who's sick, you can heal yourself. For all the people who calling me over the weekend and don't get me, I have to find time for myself, as Mark tell you, say, you have to chill out and go back to where you're from. Where you're from, triple darkness, that energy, that vibration, go back and clean your mind, clean yourself, rebuild back cells and tissue, recreate back your energy. That energy, because that energy sometimes it like to cycle itself. You know what the cycles mean? Calm. The calmer you look.
Right.
And I deep breathe and I relax myself, go back to myself.
That's a form of meditation.
That's a form of meditation. Do you hear meditation? That means you go back inside, you relax yourself and you heal yourself and forward. So most of the people them are call, and I was on a brainstorm because this energy and this vibration I'm pushing out, sometimes it come so rapid, you have to know how to focus and stay focused. That means you don't derail. You understand me? So inner management is what I do over the weekend. So all my people who out there sick, patient, it's the word, Max. Patient. You know what the word patient mean? Patient mean when you're sick, you're a patient. And to heal, you have to be patient. And to move with the universe, you have to be patient.
So you have to be patient.
So we have to pick up Max, my brother here. We are family. I have to pick up Max, my brother. We are family, and I like the energy that him come. His family being a donor. He's a donor because them say, are your mother pick me that, you know? You go like your mother, eh? Yeah, you are your mother. And you come from your mother, you come from that creation. That creation. So let's live as children of God now. Let's get back ourselves. Let's live our dream and stop live fear. Fear is the wickedest sickness. Fear better than corona. Fear better than COVID. Fear better than cancer, because you have cancer and living for a while. But fear, we just chop you down like that, because once you start fear, the blood starts to tick. And you're messing with the life force. Because blood is what circulates the oxygen, and the blood is what makes the mineral and the nutrition that you need. So when you have the blood ticking up now, the oxygen level is cut. So as Max, I tell you everything you know. I love Max. Max, love you, my brother.
Love you too, man.
Yeah, as they can't hear from Max, you know, him said a lot. I remember, you know, he's a viewer of what we're doing. So that means if we were doing something wrong, Yeah. No one would step foot.
No.
No, the energy won't bring them come right here so upon what we're doing, because remember, you know, the good what we are doing attract back to us. Because remember, the blessing that must fall upon us, you know. I wouldn't mind get it straight away. It might fall upon the kids them.
Yeah.
So no one nobody might think say yo, should not do this and not see no result as yet. No. And feel like say yo, that's it.
Patience.
You know,
Patience.
Another word of patience is faith.
The next thing is time.
Faith. Yeah. It's
Time.
faith.
The master.
You hold on to the faith. That's why, the Bible teaches us to hold on to the faith. You understand? I mean, when the part in the Bible where it says, when you pray, you must believe and have faith. So the belief is that you must say to yourself, I am rich. Let the poor say, I am rich. You believe, even before you're rich, say, I am rich. It's not gonna happen. It might not happen the way you want it. And see, that's the problem.
You don't have riches in life.
You have riches in life, but people want to see the riches. We become mentally, collectively, because I don't want to put everyone in it, but collectively, we become a mind that think that we must get things instantly.
straight away.
That's what I said.
Like instantly, we think we should get things instantly. And the part of getting something, getting something is the journey.
I'm always say the journey is long. It's a marathon.
Right.
You heard Max said the journey. You know what the journey is? You have the corner for take, the straight and the bend and the hill for climb ups and down. People don't want to do the journey.
No.
It's like them sick, them want to give it a overnight. Now, you have to make time is the master. Time is the master. So what the dream team is all about, you know, we're reaching out to the world. Because people all over the world call me. Since I started this, I've been getting a lot of calls long before, but now it's globally. And globally now, I'm trying to let the people them understand, say, work with the program, because it's like this, it's life. And life, as Max tell you, life is that energy, that vibration that no man can control or destroy.
Right.
And if you think evil about the next man, you will think evil about yourself.
Right.
So what you do, what the donors do, when you give to yourself, because what you're doing is helping yourself. So you give to someone, you give, because the universe, a child of the universe, child of the universe. You know what is the universe? The particles, the atom, the heat, the water, the air, the wind. You are everything. Because Marcus teach you that, self-reliant, self-confident. Max heal himself, and he never get a pill from no man. He just go back to himself and reason.
Everyone can do it.
That's why I tell people, say confession is good for the soul.
Everyone can
Confession is good for the soul. So when you're sick and you come to me, the first thing I say, go back to yourself. And then you come back to me.
So that.
Go back to yourself, to your inner, then you come back to me, because I am not the one healing you. I am going to provide the mineral and the nutrition that you need to recreate back cells and tissue to keep you alive, because you're alive, you know. And I tell you that if you have a house, Max is like this, you have a house, bed, stove, fridge, whatnot and everything. You dust it and you clean it. Your body is the same thing. Heart, liver, kidney, pancreas. You need to clean them. And how you clean them? You have to eat the right food that clean them, which is cosmic food, the food that created by nature, not by man-made and them arsenic, fertilizer, chemical and pesticide. So that's what they feed in the world today, because Max can tell you, this is World War III. You have World War I and II, they drop bomb and nuclear. Now they are not dropping bomb and nuclear, what they're dealing with, chemical warfare, which is pesticide and trying to destroy the energy where them cannot win against. Max, enough respect again.
Enough love, man.
Alright, well said. Man, well said. God having Max here again. With the senator.
Heart.
The thoughts became action.
Alright.
So it preserved now, and it happened, and Max feel nice, because what? This is what Max want, and this is what the whole universe wants.
The peace and the love. I would say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
We're gonna send off Max with it. Doom doom.
My favorite rhythm.
Doom doom. Yeah, Max. Max favorite rhythm this now.
I'm old school.
Doom doom. Dream team. Energy now, come on. Doom doom. Sign off. Doom doom. Doom doom. Dum dum. Baja, when Baja started this time. Come in, Baja. Dum dum. See him here. Dum dum. Can make it work. Can make it work. Up there again. Up there again. We can make it work. Can make it work. Jella.
Kina make it work.
Work.
Donuts make it work.
Work.
Baja make it work.
Work.
Talpi make it work.
Work. We Rasta Jackson can make it work. Rasta Jackson can make it work. Jackson now. Alright.
We can make it work.
Work.
We can make it work.
Work.
So we can make it work.
Work.
So we can make it work.
First time. We can make it work. Alright. Can make it work. Up there again. Alright then.
Can make it work.
Alright, Baja, take them on now.
Can make it work.
Level.
Max can make it work.
Work.
Snaggle make it work.
Work.
Liquor make it work.
Work.
Tisha make it work.
Work.
Jello make it work.
Work.
Bibi make it work.
Work.
Esther make it work.
Work.
Smiley make it work.
We can make it work.
Take the man snaggle.
Can make it work.
Remember,
Alright.
when we come together, that's how we work. Divide, we fall.
Yeah.
The unity is the strength. And that vibration, that cosmic energy that brings all things. The heat, the water, the air, the food, the vegetable. So wake up and live. Wake up and live.
Yeah.
Connect back yourself to yourself. Remember, the dream team. The dream team. Remember, teamwork. Teamwork with the dream work. So
We can make it work. Sure. Can make it work. Up there again. Energy. What we say? We can make it work.
we're up on the program.
Can make it work.
We're up on the program.
again.
Up with the program.
We make it work. Boom, make it work.
Carl make it work.
Work.
And Kino make it work.
Work.
And Malcolm make it work. And Bajo make it work. And Snaggle make it work. And all will make it work.
We can make it work. Can make it work.
Yo, I just get a call a while ago from Pablo.
Yeah.
And Pablo is some change now.
Yeah.
Pablo enough respect. You call the dream team. I used to me and Pablo talk.
Yeah.
And talk about Kino.
Yeah.
And say ask Kino about Pablo.
Yeah.
Pablo make it work. Come on. Pablo make it work.
Work. Pablo make it work.
Kina make it work.
Coxman
Make it work. Wormy make it work. Moby make it work. Talpi make it work. Dream
Make it work. Can make it work. We can make it work. What was that then? Liquor time now. We can make it work. We can make it work.
Kino make it work. Talpi make it work. Esther make it work. Latisha make it work. All of the donors make it possible.
they make it work.
Can make it work.
Now wait for the chicken.
Can make it work.
Boya make it work. Boya in the kitchen.
Texter make it work. Touch that girl.
Everybody. Hear this. Ba-boom, ba-boom, boom. Boom, boom. Ba-boom, ba-boom, boom. Remember the greatest, one of the greatest man that walked planet Earth. Lester Robert, Bob Marley. Bob Marley. He make you know what was going to happen and it fulfilled. So right now, one of the greatest black men, and Marcus Garvey, self-reliant, self-confident. So my people, wake up and join with us, the dream team, because unity is strength, and that strength is that inner vibration, that strength is that life. We're reaching out to the world, to all my brother. I'm not talking about Africa, Jamaica, I'm talking about the global energy, the cosmic energy. I'm talking about the planetarian, that's who I am. I say, hold on, you see Kino, I have to talk about Kino now. You know why I have to talk about Kino? Kino is the man with the camera. Kino is what hook up us with the world. Because without this camera and Kino, we wouldn't reach out to the world. So, let's put a hand for Kino again.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
We can make it work.
James Team.
We can make it work. Dream team. One team.
Tell them.
We can make it work.
And I say, it is working.
Welcome, Max. Welcome.
So we have to welcome Max again. Because when you have a special guest arrive, someone who have an understanding and an overstanding what's going on, because today a lot of people are lost. When I mean lost, they don't know where they're going and where they're coming from. And when you have no sense of direction, you're gonna be confused. That's what happened to our people today. That's why so many people sick. The mind confused. So spiritual, mentally, physical. Physical is that flesh that you're living in, the house that you have to take care of. That house you have to keep it clean. Mentally is the mind, you have to learn to control it, because if you make that mind get loose, people will control you. Because what affect the mind affect the body. So you must know to control the body, focus. The mind is a weapon. You can use it do good and you can use it do bad. And the spiritual energy now, the energy, that vibration, that keep you alive, that talking to you, that tell Max say I'm coming. Max say, him say, Scanner sick, and Max say, you know the right man look over Scanner is Snaga, and same time she Snaga appear because the energy and the vibration pull me, and I come straight to Kino, and Kino say, come here, okay, I'm going to show you Scanner. When I look at Scanner on the bed, half of Scanner is paralyzed, Scanner have all kind of thing, and I look at Scanner and say, confession is good for the soul. Go back to yourself. Go back to where you come from. Go back to that triple darkness. And Scanner rise up.
I know some big snag around of applause.
Hold on. Then Kino called me again. Kino, come on, clap Kino. Clap Kino. Kino called me again, and Kino said, I have a man named Sam. And I said, well, and said, come, okay, I got to Sam. And everybody, Sam gets 3 strokes. You see the pill that Sam taking tons of blood. Sam gets 3 strokes plus the strokes damage a thing called the nerves. When you have a stroke, you have a neurological problem because the current to the body is the wiring of the nerves. There are so much nerves in the body, they're like wires. And you have them, they have names. There's so much name for them. The optic nerve, but the main one is the vagus nerve, the vagus nerve, because it connects to every organs in your body. So my people, when we say Kino is the man, we're not talking about one individual because he's everyone. But what he's doing, and when he take me to Sam and I see Sam, I say, "Lo, Mr. Sam, here we are going to do now. You go confession again to the soul, go back to yourself." And I feed him with the mineral because the mineral is the cosmic food. The cosmic food are the algae, because why not telling us the algae now? The algae are the water food. It's the first food on the planet. That's what all the fish, everything eat. And we humans used to eat it, but sometimes we get so greedy now that we start to eat what they promote and forget ourselves and turn against self-preservation to self-destruction.
Tell them about the seaweed.
So
tell them about the seaweed.
The seaweed is the name is algae. Sam, it name algae. The algae is that food that give all mineral that the body need, the 102 mineral. The algae is It give you the chlorophyll, the B12, everything, the iodine, name the mineral, and the 102. The algae give you that. So when you see me now, I don't eat flesh. 40 years, I'm 61 years old. Eyesight is up, energy is up, brain power is up, and it made me have a beautiful family when I come back my brother, you know, and he's a part of our team, and he's oneness. So the algae is one that give you all the minerals they need. And you see how me and Sam eat it. And you see, look at Sam now. Sam can shout. Sam couldn't talk. Sam couldn't walk. And Sam is moving sometimes.
I'm more straighter now.
I'm straighter now.
Yeah, see, more straighter now.
Him now bend. Because what? The algae, the seaweed, the sea mineral. Algae is all plant that grow in water. All plant that grow in water is algae. And they are what give you the oxygen. The oxygen you need to breathe now, 70% come from what? The water. The algae. 70% of the oxygen you breathe from, and algae are oxygen food. So what I do, I feed back Sam and Scanner with oxygen food, because what? For 9 months you're in your mother belly in what? Water. You're a water being, which is oxygen being. So when you're born or you inhale that O2, you need it. But you must drink water every day. Inhale, exhale. Try it. I send everybody the video where I tell you to deep breathe back from the diaphragm. 98% of the people today breathe from the rib cage, which is pant breathing. You're supposed to breathe from the diaphragm, and when you breathe from the diaphragm, you get back oxygen that open up your chi, and your chi release that energy that keep you moving. See the energy I come, and him give you energy. Sure.
You have a world of knowledge about the body.
Yes.
That I think, this is personally what I think.
Yeah.
I think you should create your own YouTube program. You can sit down and run through everything.
Yeah, man.
Create your own YouTube thing and run through, so you can sit down and go through everything. People would gravitate to you.
Yeah, well, what you say, as we say, each time, each one sharpen each other. So we upgrade.
Yeah,
we upgrade.
Max, I go and look around. Max, I'm going to put in some work. We don't know if I today or when, but we're going to see it on the side.
The teacher, I'm going to run for their money.
Alright,
I'm going to talk the ladies, them. I run for their money.
Alright, the ladies, they want to get a run for their money. You know, so we give Max a round of applause. And welcome him.
All the donors, enough today, tomorrow, because I have to re-oxygenate myself, recreate myself, because you see what I'm doing. I have a lot of medicine to pay attention. So tomorrow, you can call me and you get your food coming at you all over the world. I am here for you and you are here for me. We shall make it work.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.